uh, working out the volume of a pool, a slope pool. Well, volume is length times width times depth, which will tell us the volume of a pool. But this one's slightly harder as it is a sloped pool. To work out the volume of a sloped pool, we need to use the formula that they've given us here. And in this formula, they've asked us to fill in the length and the width. And we also need to know the deep end and the shallow end of the pool. Well, here's the top of the pool. This should give us the length and the width. And down here we got the side elevation, which shows the deep and shallow end. So we're going to take our figures from here. So always rewrite our formula out, putting numbers where letters used to be. So volume equals length, which is 50. There's no space between the letters and the numbers, so it means multiply by the width, which is 18. Length's always the longest side and width's the shortest. Although, if you multiply two numbers together and reverse them, you'll get the same answer. Brackets, deep end. Well, deep end's mentioned here. The deep end will be the deeper end, so it must be that one. 4 plus shallow end. SE stands for shallow end. That's the shallow end. Divided by 2. So volume equals 50 times 18. Then we always do a bit of BODMAS first, or brackets first. So brackets come first. So we'll do our brackets first. 4 plus 1 is 5. Divided by 2 gives me 2.5. And I'm going to multiply, according to this, I need to multiply what's in the brackets, which is 2.5, by what is outside the brackets. Well, 50 times 18 is 900. So I'm doing 900 times 2.5 and getting 2250 feet, because we're working in feet here. And they're cubic. They got a little three-dimensional. So that gives us the volume of the pool. I may be asked to change that into litres, and I suspect they would give me a conversion factor to do that. And generally, to change cubic feet to litres, which what they might ask us to do, we need to know how many. I think it's 28, but I shall check for you now. So, cubic feet to litres. It's 28, yeah. So every cubic foot has 28 cubic litres. So if they ask me, they may not, to change that to, because a pool wouldn't be measured in feet as in it's full of water, which comes in litres. So I'm going to multiply that by 28 to work out how many cubic litres we have. So I'll need a calculator for that today. Right, open the calculator and we'll have our answer. So it's 225 2250 times 28 roughly is 63,000. So back to this, so it would be 63,000 litres. So this is probably the question that some of you may have faced in a recent exam, or similar to it.